Baby, make me spoil you. You anything you like?
Alright, so before the video starts, guys, go ahead and check out Hennessy Boss. He's a another biker, Jamaican biker, who has started doing the YouTube journey as well. Has some really nice videos up, so go ahead, check out Hennessy Boss. Leave a like, comment on his video, and subscribe. Let him know that I sent you guys over there. As well, I want you guys to go ahead and check out Bike Life Chris. This youth surprised me. Like, this youth legit just start stunting bikes, and he's one of the best. He's one of the best young stunters, basically. So big up Bike Life Chris. Go ahead, check out his channel, guys. Let him know that I sent you. Like, comment, and subscribe to their channels. Let them know that I sent you. Bless up.
Don't see me put that tire. Bomba! Yeah, we put that tire. Plastic! Woo! Are you want to empty now? Deixa eu ter aqui, ó.
Excuse me.
Don't see me can't ride. We can't ride this. Yo, we can't ride a bike, you know? We can't ride a bike, you know? Yo, we can't ride a bike, you know? Yo, we can't ride a bike, you know? Yo, I'm legit can't ride. I'm about to be a late split, like an idiot. Yo, we feel like I'm good man, a late split. Yo, me set the blouse on skirt. It come like say yo. Me no know if lane split. Yeah, on the corner, dog. I don't trust them, you know, dad. Say, oh, see me I go through. I don't care. The cameraman good lay laugh off of me too.
At this moment, he knew.
test me now. God, I wish that would have come like a race course, a race horse run. Oh man, boy. Don't know which time you take me over though. Be careful for the run, I can fall to your brake. Murray, Murray, my name is Kemore. What is your name? Eh? Ouch! You're so heavy! But wait, what's stranger doing on my yard? Eh?